Hello traders, in this video we are going to be quickly discussing the trend channel indicator. All right, so let us start by adding the indicator to the chart. Just drag and drop. Okay, so this is how the indicator looks like. It's pretty straightforward. Okay, as you can see, the indicator, it shows us the prevailing trend in the market, displaying channel, automatically plotting the channel for us on the chart. Okay, so basically you can see that the indicator plots two different channels at the same time. You can see this channel in the middle, the green lines, and you can see the channels at the outer part with the golden lines. Okay, so the upper channel, you can see the upper channel actually comprises two trend lines based on the higher highs and lower highs of the market. Okay, on the other hand, the lower channel's trend lines represent higher lows and lower lows of the market, right? Of course, upper trend line, that is how the trend lines are formed, right? The upper trend line is higher highs, higher highs and higher highs of the market, higher highs and higher lows of the market, and the lower channels trend lines are for the higher lows, right? And lower highs, higher lows and lower lows, depending on the direction of the trend, right? Because of course, in this bullish case, we can see that these are higher highs and we can see that these are higher lows. All right, so without wasting much time, let us quickly go to the indicator settings. Let us see what we can modify over there. All right, so we can see that you can change the degree of the indicator, the KSTD, the bars, the shift. You can change these values, of course, depending on how sensitive you want the indicator to be. All right, so now what you have to do is to look out for price moving within the channel, right? If you want, if the price is trending strongly upwards, you might actually find the price mostly moving within this narrow channel, right? The green channel. So you will notice that in this case, you can see price was mostly found within the green channel. You just have to look for, confirmation patterns, right? If you want to enter a trade, you should be looking out for a buy trade, right? Because this is a bullish trend. So you can get a buy signal when price is bouncing off the channel, the lower channel, right? The lower trend line within this green channel, and then you get your confirmation. You can enter a trade, and then you can exit when price breaks above the upper part, right? You can see this particular channel is narrow. Okay, but if you have a kind of very gentle slope, maybe you have price bouncing between here and here and all of that, right? If you have a very gentle slope, then you want to look out for price bouncing off the orange channel or the golden colored channel, get your confirmation and execute. All right, so I will recommend you only trade in the direction of the trend. You buy in a bullish trend and you sell in a bearish trend. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.